Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to give a little bit of an update on where we're at with the ambulance, what we've been doing, and where we're going with this project. I know it's been a minute here, but we live in New England and we have this thing called snow and a lot of cold weather, so it's not been easy to work on this project too much. So I'll show you where we're at and what we've done and what the future plans are, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. So this has basically been a whole winter of mocking up everything and preparing for spring. So I didn't film too much of the mock-ups just so I could focus on getting the right designs down and getting everything in place, but I'll be sure to show you how I do the final builds on everything here. So I've already started on the ceiling wiring, which needs to be done in order for us to put the vapor barrier and then the cedar ceiling up. So that's coming in a video very soon that will show you how to do the rough wiring and then how I set up the electrical system in the ambulance here. So that toilet is going to go in this cabinet on a drawer slide system that is coming in a video very soon. And then we've got a port for our diesel heater going right now as well. As we know, the bed is all finished. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out by clicking the link in the corner right here or in the description down below. So we've got our sink and our stove cut and in place. Now we just have to get gas and water to this cabinet right here. We are beginning, like I said, on the electrical right here, and our fuse block, our cutoff switch, and our inverter will all be placed in this cabinet right here. In this cabinet right here is where we've been doing the most work. So we've done an entire mock-up of this utilities cabinet right here, where we're going to have our fresh water, we're going to have our hot water heater, our shower, our propane tank, our water pump, and that's all going through this hole in the wall over to the kitchen area. This cabinet is basically just a rough mock-up as of right now, but we'll definitely be showing you how to do the final build in that. And then in this cabinet right here, this is the other side of the toilet cabinet here, where under that we're going to have our diesel heater, and I'll show you exactly how we are going to install that. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get notified every time we post a video. Once we get into the swing of things, I'm hoping to do at least one video a week, just highlighting the work we did, and also specific videos on how we do specific tasks in the ambulance, such as the toilet cabinet, the utilities cabinet, the wiring, and all of that will be their own separate video. So leave a comment, let me know if you want to see some more vlog style videos too as well, where we show a little bit more behind the scenes, a little bit more of the funny mistakes and the things we learn, so something just a little bit more personal. I really thank you for watching today's video, and I look forward to showing you how this spring goes.